Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. If you want to see how my stuff look in this bag, how it looks on my body and things like that, then please keep watching. So I'm gonna leave the unboxing of this video up here in the card so y'all can check that out before you look at this video. I said in my unboxing I am returning the bag, but I did still want to share with anyone just in case you are in the market for a bag, for this particular bag, because on YouTube it was one video on this bag and the lady didn't speak English, but I still watched the video because to see, you know, how the bag looked and things like that, because I wasn't able to go into stores to see this particular color. I did see the pink one, but I didn't pay attention to this color. The pink one was $5.50 and this one was $4.95. So I was like, okay, that $5.50, even with the 30% off, it still was a little up there. So I was like, okay, I'll stay in the safe zone and stick with the $4.95 bag. What I may end up doing is maybe returning this and just go ahead and put the difference to the bag and purchase the one that I really want. But if not, I'll probably look for a new bag, because like I stated in my unboxing, this bag is not at the warehouse. It's only in the store. Ever purchase from a store online, we'll go in the Coach store and purchase one, but I won't purchase one online and have them ship me one from the store. Like I said, you will end up getting a used bag, and that's what I believe this bag was, a display bag, a used bag, or some type of do is I'm gonna go ahead and pull my camera down so we can focus mainly on the bag and not me. So I will be right back. So here is the features of the bag. Here is the bag. As far as measurements and things, I'll leave the link for this bag down below so y'all can check that out on your own. Here to show you what fits in here, how it looks on the body and things like that. Have your back pocket, which has a nice it has a nice back pocket where it can fit a iPhone, and for reference I have a iPhone 10, so that fits in here as well. And I'm sure if you have the 11 Pro Max or 11 whatever, I'm sure it can fit, because when I upgrade, I think I'm going to upgrade to the 11, and the 11 is the size of the the 11, the XR. As you can see, you do have room just in case you have a bigger type of cell phone. Put that in there for the sake of the video. So here in the front, have your front slot here, a pocket here, and you can also place your phone in here if you want to, like if you don't want to place it in the back. So this button here that closes it, then you have your inside pockets, which is one zipper across, and then you have, so you don't have no back zippers, you just have the Coach tag here on the back, and the inside is like a blue type of color with this cream tan color. It's a really cute bag. Like I said, I just feel like I just want what I want. That if I do purchase this again, I'm gonna make sure, you know, I either go to the store or make sure it's coming from the warehouse. So is the inside. So as you can see, it looks like it can hold a lot, and we want to put that to the test. Have your back pocket, and then you have this last button here, this like that, and then you have your Coach little tag here. I like the 1941 tags because they just so fancy, but here is your regular Coach tag. You can get these hot stamped. And see over here, it has something on here. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, we're not going for that. We is not going for that. Here is your strap. So I will show the straps at the end once I place my stuff in here. I have my Louis Vuitton bag here. I'm going to go ahead and start packing this bag. A lot of stuff you already saw in my previous videos. I'm going to start off with my pochette, and I'm gonna place that in there, and my Coach wallet. I am looking to switch over to my Gucci, but for now, here is my Coach wallet. And you know, we gotta have some gum, and my Blotterazzi. In this flap, I'm going to place my hand sanitizer, my card case. I'm going to go ahead and put the Blotterazzi down there. Lotion, my Barbie lipstick, my Tom Ford lip gloss, a pen. We can place another lip gloss right here. So as you can see, my bag is really full. Probably could put, let me see what else. I carry my Weight Watchers pouch. So let's just say I didn't want to carry it, and I'm going to just go ahead and place my booklet inside of my bag. And I normally carry this because I go and weigh in. I usually go in once a week, but lately I haven't been going as much. But I'm going to place this here in the front pockets, this in this pocket right here. Thing is in the bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and close it. A little heavy, so I'm going to start off with the chain strap. I wouldn't use this chain as a crossbody, but I would use it as a shoulder strap, just carrying a Chanel boy bag type thing. The leather on here smells so delicious. Like, it smells so good. Here's the bag if I was to carry it like this. And it's really comfortable on the shoulder like these. Like, the gold strap is really, really comfortable. Like, if you want that extra security, you can go ahead and hold it like this. So anybody try to snatch it, you got that control over your bag if you carry like this. I mean, if you know, dancing or whatever, not that you would dance with a bag this big, but you know, it's still on my shoulder, it ain't going anywhere. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how it looks. So like, say if you in the market and you want to grab, I mean, say you out, you want to grab your phone, you could grab it like 1, 2 and take your pictures. And let's just say you want to go ahead and put it back, voila, and snap it right back, and there you go. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and place the affinity, I think this is called the leather affinity strap, where it doesn't have an ending. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that on the bag so y'all can see how that looks. I'm gonna leave a chain on the bag and just place this on here just again so you can see. You can carry it as a crossbody and also as a shoulder bag. So here is the bag crossbody. It is a little heavy, and that's probably because of what I have in here. But like I said, if I was to wear this bag every day, I probably would switch up some things in the bag. I mean, it looks nice crossbody as well, but I think I would prefer to carry it as a shoulder bag. I like to have the option to carry it as a crossbody if I ever want to. Like, say if I'm out in a crowd and I don't want it on my shoulder just because I don't, you know, I'm worried about if somebody gonna snatch it or whatever. I like the fact that you do have that option to use it as a crossbody. I'm going to go ahead and make it short to show you how it would look. But for the sake of the video, I'm just showing you again how it looks. And it feels real comfortable with the leather strap. Like, I could even go even shorter with the strap, and I will do that just to show y'all. Oh, y'all, I love this strap. Oh, my goodness. Like, look at that. So here is the strap. A lot shorter. Let me see one more because I thought it would have been shorter. Okay, so here is the strap. I thought it would go up a little higher, but it don't. But it still lands at a good, like a good length. Not too long, it's not too short. And I like the chain hanging off the bag. It just gives it that extra bezzazzle. Like, it gives it that extra jazziness going on. Cute. But for the sake of the video, I will take it off just in case y'all want to see how it looks without the hardware. I took the hardware off so y'all can see the bag, because as you can see, it still looks cute without the gold straps on there. Like, this bag is a beautiful, beautiful bag. So I just wanted to show you guys this bag one more time, because like I said, I'm not keeping it, so I won't be able to do any further reviews on this bag, because like I said, I wasn't happy with the way the bag came to me. Said it showed a little bit of wear on the bag. I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait and see if it goes on sale again, because the sale will be ending on September the 27th. And like I said, by the time I upload this video, it will be well past September the 27th. So I know probably around the holidays or Black Friday, like I said, Coach probably will have a awesome sale within their stores. If y'all are familiar with Coach stores having sales, let me know down in the comment section, like if they are having a sale, and if they do have one coming up, when you know, about when. The bag color is really cute because, like I said, I was looking to get the pink one, and I'll insert a picture of the pink bag just so you can see which one I was talking about. Pink all the time. You know, I love pink. As you can see, I have a pink shirt on, but then I was like, do I want to get a pink bag? So I was like, okay, since it's about to be winter time, you know, I'm gonna be wearing blue jeans, Uggs, and stuff like that. I was like, okay, I'll try this color. The fact that the back of it is dark, where you don't have to worry about it's showing any color transfer. I don't know if I mentioned, but this leather on here is so soft, you guys. It is so soft, butter soft. This how I thought that black bag was going to be, like that soft leather. I care for that pebble leather look. I don't know, I just don't. That's why I don't wear that yellow Henry Bendel bag too much. I'm a big fan of pebble leather. I mean, it's not bad, but I like this type of leather. It's the inside of the bag, and like I said, it did add weight to the bag. And so I forgot to, you know what? I forgot about this, you guys. I forgot about the zipper part. And here you got your Coach little tag. So here, instead of having a back zipper, I guess they put the zipper in the middle. I can place my Weight Watchers papers in there. Like this part would be like for your catch-all with your receipts. Her feature is really nice. And on the zipper, it has Coach 1941. This is supposed to be the 1941 line, but it didn't come with that nice bag charm. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the bag. So this here is all in the back part of the bag. I will be switching over to my Gucci wallet. So here again is your blue Coach tag. This leather smells so good, y'all. In the front pocket, I just had the Dove lotion, card case, my Tom Ford, my Barbie lipstick, my hand sanitizer, my Blotterazzi, and my pen. So again, here is the inside of the bag, just so y'all can see. And let me show you the inside of this zipper part. The material 41 line is made of this type of material. In the inside of the bag pocket, I had my iPhone. It pulls out like that, so you can place other stuff in there besides the iPhone, but that's the only thing I would place in there. But I'm gonna just throw the lotion and the card case in there just so y'all can see. Go ahead and close it to see how it looks like, if it bulge, makes the bag bulge or anything, and it don't, so you can't even tell. I have that big jar of lotion and my card case in here, so again, you don't have to carry your cell phone in here. But like I said, I would probably, if I was to keep this bag, I would probably keep my cell phone here in the front. All about the back, y'all. I forgot all about the back. But let's just say, you know, you don't want to put it in the front, you can place it in the back as well, and I'll show you. There you go. You don't go ahead and slide it back in. So with this here, you do have to go through this one snap to get your phone, but here in the back you just grab it and there you go. So I guess it depends on your preference on where you want to place your cell phone at. I said your Weight Watchers cards, you can place some gum back here, you know, like I said, to be easy for you to grab, you know, if you want to go. Like I said, when I go to weigh in, I can just grab this, hand it to him, and get ready to step on the scale. Yeah, you guys, this bag is a beautiful bag. Like I said, I am going to repurchase this bag, but like I said, I'm gonna make sure I can either get it from the warehouse or actually go in the stores and actually pick out my bag and make sure, you know, they are pulling it from the back where it's brand new with everything covered and, you know, things like that. So with that being said, again, I just wanted to share with you guys this bag. Noticed a lot of little different things on the bag. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the bag don't have any feet, and I'm okay with that. It would have been nice if they would have had some little gold hardware at the bottom, but I guess this here is what the bag is like sitting on, like this part here. Yeah, you guys, this is the baby that I was stalking and obsessed over, because like I said, I fell in love with the pink. I was like, okay, you know, like I was saying, I don't know if I would want to keep a pink bag, you know, being that expensive. Go with my winter and fall outfits, because I really wear like jeans, Uggs, or shoe boots and things like that. And this bag would have been perfect for that. With that being said, you guys, say goodbye to the baby, because she is going back. Hope be doing a updated video on the new bag that I purchased. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything about that bag will be 100% so I can end up keeping it, because I'm in the market for a new bag. I've been lucky with finding a new bag. So with that being said, if y'all like these types of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.